Zameen Property Tours. This is me, Shaista Raza, and today we are here in Ali Block, Bahria Town, Karachi. And we will visit this beautiful and modern villa of 125 square yard. So let's begin with the tour. Now we are inside the villa, and on the right side of mine there is a lobby and car parking area with the flooring tiles. They also have an aluminium windows with the stylish wooden doors. So let's get inside. अंदर दाखिल होते ही there is a powder room on my left side and also a staircase which connects the ground floor with the first floor. मेरे लेफ्ट साइड पर एक बेडरूम मौजूद है और बेडरूम के साथ ही there is an American kitchen. And on the right side of mine there is a drawing room and a wide aluminium window and it's a TV lounge. यहाँ पर marble flooring हुई हुई है with the gypsum ceiling and fancy LED lights. It's a very stylish and American kitchen with a granite slab which is very easy to clean and it's very hygienic with the modern cabinet and a fancy taps in it with the granite top. They also have electric stove in it and electronic appliances installed within it. They also have a very wide aluminium window and a door which connects towards the lobby. This is the bedroom on the ground floor with the size of 11 by 12 with a stylish attached bathroom. They also have a wardrobe installed within the room and marble flooring with a gypsum ceiling. They also have an aluminium wide window for the natural light. इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं ड्राइंग रूम में और इस ड्राइंग रूम के दो एग्जिट्स हैं। इस डोर का एग्जिट बाहर की जानिब है जबकि ये डोर ड्राइंग रूम को कनेक्ट करता है टीवी लाउंज से। इस ड्राइंग रूम की खास बात ये है कि इसमें 3 वाइड एल्यूमिनियम विंडोज़ हैं जहां से नेचुरल लाइट आती है और इस कमरे को और ख़ास बनाता है इसका मार्बल फ्लोर विद द LED लाइट्स। This is the staircase which connects the ground floor with the first floor. इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ ड्राइंग रूम में और फर्स्ट फ्लोर में मेरे राइट साइड पर एक स्टोर रूम है जबकि इस फ्लोर पर 3 बेडरूम्स मौजूद हैं। There is a separate area on my left side which connects the first floor with the rooftop. This is the master bedroom of this floor with the stylish attached bathroom and wardrobe installed within the room. This is the bathroom with the marble wall and fancy taps installed within it, which makes it more fancy. They also have 2 wide aluminium windows with a natural light and a beautiful view of this room. This is another room of this floor with a fancy light and attached bathroom with the full-size wardrobe installed within it. This is another bedroom of the floor with the attached bathroom and customized area in it with a separate wardrobe. The combination of yellow and off-white makes it more stylish and beautiful. This is the corridor of the floor where you can enjoy the view and the weather at the same time with your family and friends. And in the night, there is also LED lights installed in it so you can enjoy in the night as well. I hope you like this property tour. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. इसके साथ साथ आप हमें सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. This is your host Shaista Raza signing off from Zameen Property Tour. Till then, next time, take care.